Hi guys, welcome to Get Real Life TV. This is where we promote African culture, traditions, and religion. I thank you all for showing me love on this page. I thank you all for your support. May Olodumare continue to support you all. For those of you who are my monthly members, I thank you all for showing your support through the membership platform. And for those of you who do not understand what I'm talking about when it comes to membership, so if you check down below this video, you are going to see join button. The join button is where you can show your monthly support to me. When you click the join button, you can choose any category of your choice. So today I have a book for you. This book is called Ifa Ohun Enu Olodumare. Ifa Ohun Enu Olodumare. This is the name of the book. Ifa, God's sacred message of mankind. So by Oloye Awodiran O Agboola, the Araba Oworonsoki, Lagos, Nigeria. So this book is highly loaded with a lot of information that you need to understand Ifa religion, Ifa spirituality, isese, as you may wish to call it. So this book is pretty much very, very good for you. It's written in both English and Yoruba language. So I'll be showing you the content of this book for you guys to be able to make your decision on whether to buy this book or not. So this book is called Ifa Ohun Enu Olodumare. So this book is all about explanation on some of what you need to know in Ifa. So I will be showing you now the content, which is pretty much very important for you to see before you make your decision whether to buy this book or not. So let me show you. Ifa Ohun Enu Olodumare, as you have seen it here. Ifa Ohun Enu Olodumare. Ifa, God's sacred message of to mankind. So the dedication is here. Acknowledgement. Yoruba proverb says, "Eni tí a ṣe lóore," you know. So even the acknowledgement of this book as a Ifa verse. You know, Iwori Elerin. So even by reading the acknowledgement, you are going to understand something about Iwori Elerin. So let's check further. So that's the acknowledgement, and from the acknowledgement, just straight to the homage. You know, special homage to you know, if you want to pay homage to your mother, because this book. The author of this book pays special homage to his mother. So, and he makes use of a verse, you know, the Ifa to do that. So that is just the introduction. Then the preface of the book. You know, everything is all about Ifa messages. So right from the content, let's go straight to the content, the table of content of this book. So the table of content, you have the introductory aspect, the introduction, right from this side, introduction, then related system of divination, then Okpele, how to use Okpele, you know, it's there, Okpele, divining shane from Ejiobe, then Ikin, then how to use Ikin, sacred palm nuts from Iwori Meji. Then further information on Ikin, Erin Dilogun, 16 calories, Agbegba, which is a segment, is a part of Ifa divination system. So who is Babalawo, Iyanifa, Iyalorisha, Kwetebi? So these are the information you are going to be getting in this book. And this book is from Araba of Oworonsoki in Lagos State. So this is a knowledgeable Ifa, is an Araba, and is highly educated when it comes to Ifa spirituality. So Otura Oriko, you know, we have so many table of contents here. Learning Ifa is here. Great effort and sacrifice in becoming an Ifa priest. Great effort and sacrifice in becoming an Ifa priest. The training of Ifa priest. The importance of women in Ifa court. Why women cannot be forbidden to cast Ifa divination. Why women cannot be forbidden. So these are the information you're going to get in this book. The significance of Ebo, the importance of Ebo sacrifice in Ifa. The ingredient of Ebo, you are going to understand the ingredient of Ebo. Then blessed and prayer with sacrificial material. Blood sacrifice, to be or not to be. The significance of blood sacrifice. Orunmila and his relationship with other divinities. Orumila's praise names. Prayer of Ifa, Iwori Meji. So you're going to get prayers of Ifa in this book. Then Ori, the deity of destiny. The importance of Ori. Prayer, chant to Ori Ejoge, Eshu. Prayer, chant. Ogun, Shango, Shango praises, Oya, and a whole lot of information are loaded in this book. Prayer, many orishas are praised here. So the few parts in Yoruba in this book are the Ifa stanzas. So the Ifa stanzas, some of the Ifa stanzas are written in Yoruba language, but the explanation of what you need to know in this book are written in English language, but the Ifa stanzas are in Yoruba, then translated to English. So if you are interested, if you want to buy this book, then the link to my store is in the description section of this video. Then you can make use of the description section to go straight to my store to purchase this book. So anywhere you are, both in Nigeria and outside Nigeria, when you place your order on www.getiberalifetv.com, this book will get to you wherever you are. Then you can click the link in the description section of this video to get straight to where to add exactly this book to cart, where to buy this book. So you can buy this book, then you can pick some of other books that we have on the website for you to place your order. Then it's going to get to you. If you're in Nigeria, within 2 or 3 business days, it will get to you. If you are outside Nigeria, within 5 business days, it will get to you. So you can pick some other books, some other items that you have that you need on the website, on the store. Then they are going to get to your doorstep. So guys, another book by the same author is this one. This one is pretty much very, very loaded as well. It's much more even loaded than the first one. So this one is Ifa Ohun Ijile Aye, Ifa Philosophy of Life. Ifa Philosophy of Life by the same author, Awodiran Okanlawon Agboola di Araba Oworonsoki, Lagos State. So this one as well is for those of you who want to understand Ifa. If you want to understand Ifa, if you want to understand the messages of Ifa, this book is very, very okay for you. So when you read from an Araba like this, I can assure you that nobody can deceive you when it comes to Ifa spirituality. So this book is as well loaded. It's called Ifa Ohun Ijile Aye, Ifa Philosophy of Life. So it's written in English. But the stanzas are in Yoruba, but translated to English. Okay? So the explanation of the book is in English, and we have the table of contents. So right now I'll be showing you the table of contents for you to understand, for you to know what you are going to get in this book. So that is for you to know the values of getting this book. So let me show you. Right now, the table of content of this very one, from chapter 1, we have relationship between God and Ifa. Then how does Ifa relate to other religion? Then chapter 2, you have indispensability of IFA on earth, heaven, and general philosophy. The words of IFA are words of wisdom. Then how IFA enlighten the world on reproductive system. 2 ways of life, positive and negative. Destiny. Then chapter 3, you are going to see general philosophy of IFA. IFA teaches humility, patience, endurance, and wisdom. Then chapter 4, we have IFA speaks in parable. So from the chapter 4, you are going to understand how IFA speaks in parable. How IFA speaks in parable. Then chapter 5, 16 great stories of IFA. So for those of you who want to understand stories in IFA, then we have 16 great stories of IFA. Then not too difficult translated long verses of IFA. So not too difficult translated long verses of IFA. That's chapter 6. Then chapter 7, we have Iwure to greet IFA in the morning for blessing. So how to greet IFA in the morning for those of you who are initiated into IFA. So you need to know how to chant Iwure to greet IFA. Iwure to greet IFA in the morning for blessing. So chapter 8, then IFA's medicine. IFA's medicine. So these are the chapters that we have. We have chapter 8, and the chapter 8 has sub chapters, that you are going to enjoy. So this book as well is highly loaded, and there are verses of IFA that the author made use of to back his points. So if you need this one as well, check the description section. I am going to be putting the link of these 2 books right in the description section of this video for you to place your order right in the description. These 2 books are so much good for you, for your IFA journey. If you want to understand IFA, you want to understand everything about IFA, this book is very good for you. This is by Araba Oworonsoki, and this is a very knowledgeable book. These are knowledgeable books for you, and the author is highly educated in IFA spirituality, IFA religion, isese, or as you may wish to call it. So check the description section of this video for you to place your order right on GetABrotherLifeTV.com. So thank you very much, guys. So place your order, then this book will get to you wherever you are. And if you want to talk to me, if you want to ask me any question, you can message me on my WhatsApp. So you can message me through my WhatsApp number displayed on the screen. Thank you very much, and get a better life.